Feeling lazy is normal. Everyone faces it. But staying consistent even on lazy days is the key to success. Here are simple ways to keep going when motivation is low. First, understand why you feel lazy. Sometimes your body or mind needs rest. Other times, you may feel overwhelmed or bored. Accepting this feeling helps you avoid guilt and stay calm. Next, break big tasks into smaller steps. When a task looks too big, it can make you avoid starting. But small steps feel easier. For example, instead of study for 2 hours, say, read 1 page. Small wins add up fast. Make a daily routine. When you do things at the same time every day, it becomes a habit. Habits require less energy and help you stay consistent automatically. Use a timer. Work for just 10 or 15 minutes. Then take a short break. This method, called the Pomodoro technique, makes work feel less tiring. Often starting is the hardest part, and once you begin, you want to keep going. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone. Create a clean workspace. A focused environment makes it easier to work without feeling lazy. Remember your reasons. Why did you start this goal? Write down your reasons and read them when you feel lazy. This reminder helps you push forward. Celebrate small progress. Every small step counts. Reward yourself for consistency, even if it's just a short break or a small treat. Finally, forgive yourself if you miss a day. Laziness happens. Don't give up. Start fresh the next day with a positive mindset. In summary, to stay consistent when you feel lazy, understand your feelings. Break tasks into small steps. Create a daily routine. Use a timer. Limit distractions. Remember your reasons. Celebrate small wins. Forgive yourself, and keep going. Consistency is about steady effort, not perfection. Keep moving forward even when it feels hard. Your future self will thank you.